Are you ready to enrich your relationships with love and joy? This joyful relationship spell is designed to foster deeper connections and bring positivity into your interactions. Begin by affirming, I attract love and connection in my relationships. Every bond I nurture grows with joy and understanding. This affirmation opens your heart and mind to the beauty of connection. To perform this spell, find a quiet place where you feel safe and comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, grounding yourself in the moment. Visualize the people you wish to connect with. Imagine their smiles, laughter, and the warmth of your shared moments. As you visualize, speak your affirmation aloud with conviction, feeling the energy of love radiate from you. Repeat this process daily, allowing the words to resonate within you. Feel free to share these affirmations with loved ones or tag someone who inspires you. Together, you can cultivate an environment filled with positivity and support. This spell reminds us that relationships are a two-way street, flourishing through love and kindness. Remember to be happy always.